Hello everyone, in today's review we are diving into MoonPay, a popular crypto payments platform that allows users to easily buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and others. But is this a reliable platform or should you just steer clear? Let's break down the pros and cons. Now guys, firstly, what is MoonPay? So it's a crypto payments service that makes it easy for users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using traditional payments methods like credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. It connects buyers with crypto exchanges and acts as a intermediary to simplify transactions. Now, let us talk about the benefits of using this one. So MoonPay offers a simple, user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. You can buy crypto with credit and debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and even bank transfers, which make it convenient and for different user preferences. Payments are processed quickly, meaning your crypto can be in your wallet in just a few minutes. MoonPay supports a variety of top-tier cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more. Now, let us talk about the drawbacks and concerns. One major downside is the transaction fees, which are often higher than those on traditional crypto exchanges. Fees can reach up to 5% or more depending on the payments method. While MoonPay supports many countries, it's not available everywhere, so users from certain regions may not have access to the platform. MoonPay is primarily focused on purchasing crypto, so it lacks advanced features like spot trading or margin trading that are available on other platforms like Binance or Coinbase. To use the platform, you'll need to go through a KYC, Know Your Customer verification, which can take some time and may be an inconvenience for users who want to buy quickly. So, is this one reliable? Let us analyze the domain in the scam detector. Just remove that. Search. So guys, as you can see, it's known and vetted. We can basically go back now. You see the score. So it's a solid platform for buying and selling cryptos, especially if you're just getting started. However, if you're looking for low fees or advanced trading features, you might want to consider other options. If this review helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and crypto platforms. Thanks for watching.